to my channel. I am back at ATL Airport headed back to New York, this time on Southwest Airlines, which should be very interesting because they canceled my first flight on Wednesday. But I'm downstairs, there's the garage because upstairs is super crowded. There's upstairs where I usually get out. But yeah, let me get to the security because TSA pre-check closes at 8. It is 7:45, so I have 15 minutes to get to TSA pre-check. Hopefully it's not closed, so I'll see you inside. But first, let me put my mask on. Double masking it up. Okay, so this is the downstairs of Atlanta Airport. If you come to the airport and it's really crowded, stay to the left and you can go downstairs. It'll be no people down here and you know, you'll get through much easier on the car line outside. So although I'm taking Southwest, I'm on the Delta side because we just came this way. But another ATL tip, you can go on either side. They all end up at the same place. I forgot that I have Clear. So if pre-check is busy, I can go through Clear. Woohoo! Pre-check is closed?
Pre-check, no, last one, take a right, all the way down.
Okay, look at the pre-check line. The pre-check line is long. Okay, so we're not going through here. We're going to the other side for pre-check. Okay, so pre-check. Clear. This is new. I've never been on this side before. I always tout the benefits of pre-check. Look how empty it is compared to the other side. Okay, we made it to Clear. Stayed over there.
Drop your wrist. Scan it right here for me. Okay, come follow me, Miss Kimberly.
Thank you.
All right, here you just want to show them the boarding pass, okay?
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, see? Clear is good for something. I said Clear is good for something.
Yes, girl, we are very good.
You know, I signed up when I was at LA a few weeks ago. So let me check it out, see how it
See?
measures up against pre-check.
Just show your boarding pass and you're good to go.
Thank you. That was easy. That's my bag. My other bag made it through. Thank you. I swear, sometimes TSA is a complete joke. All he did was unzip my bag and zip it back up and sent me on my way. I am here early because I want to check out the lounge. And it's in the international terminal, which is the last stop on the train. So I'm going to head there now. I have 1 hour and 20 minutes before my flight board, so I could probably stay there for about a half an hour, hopefully. So let's get to Concourse F. Just upstairs in the international terminal, so I can get back to the train quickly. Chapel, that's where we're going.
Alright, you all good.
Thank you. Yeah. Say hi.
Oh, hey.
Okay, so this place is packed. There's a two over here. This is the bathroom. It's small, but it's efficient. It could use a cleaning, you know, but it works. It's better than the public bathroom in the terminal. bar in a minute. This is a view of the place. Very crowded. Okay, this is Atlanta, so no social distancing. If you saw my video from LAX to JFK, the Alaska Lounge was much more spaced out than this one. And the food offering is not great either, so. That's all I got. Pitiful wraps, some cheese, and cookies, and water. Hi, I'll just have a vodka soda. Vodka soda? There's a little business center. Pretty basic. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was the Club at ATL. I'm not impressed, but it was better than sitting at the gate. I think I stayed a little too long, so I'm rushing. I have to take the train back to the Sea Gates to catch my flight. 46. I don't know when the flight's boarding, but it's leaving at 9:20. So that's not a lot of time. I need to hurry up. This is the Sea Concourse at Atlanta Hartsfield. I think I'm going this way. So this is what Southwest. Oh, my gate's right here. Got lucky. I think I saw the plane, but they're not boarding, which they should be because it's 8:55 for a 9:20 flight. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But yeah, pretty packed in the Southwest terminal. I would say that flying is like back to normal, and there's a sign that says the flight is full. So this is going to be my first and last time in 2 years flying Southwest. I have points to use, so that's the only reason why I booked them. I mentioned this earlier, but I had a flight on Wednesday, same time, 9:05. They canceled the flight with no explanation, and they rebooked me for Friday today at 2:35, but I changed my flight to 9:05 so I'd have arrived in the airport, because with this goes to LaGuardia, and this flight is now delayed, so Southwest is a hot mess. There's the plane, but people are coming off, so we're going to be even more delayed. Crowded airport. No seats. I could have stayed in the lounge a little longer. Now we're lining up on C20. That's another reason I stopped flying Southwest, because this silly line-up process. You don't get to pick your seat ahead of time. It's a free fall. Everyone's lined up by their number. Thank you. Thank you.
Of course.
Throw my bag over there. Oh, you got it? Thank you. Thank you.
Number 3 fingers is 7-Up. Number 4 fingers is water. When ordering a Coke, use this finger. Folks, like to remind you, per federal law, you are not allowed. We're here. Thank you. The first one's going to LaGuardia.
Okay, welcome to New York. I haven't been to LaGuardia in like 2 years, but this is the new terminal. And if you live in New York, you know the LaGuardia airport is pretty rough. But they've been renovating it for like 3 or 4 years, probably like 3 years. So this looks good. And it's nearly midnight, so it's empty here. Restaurant. This is really nice. Toy store, is that FAO Schwartz? It is. Little kid area here. Little garden. Very nice, LaGuardia. It's good to be home. Nice new escalator. Terminal I'm in. Let me see if the app shows it. The Southwest app is really bad. It doesn't even show you what terminal you're in. Nice New York landmarks. This is new. This was never here. Uh-oh, LaGuardia is getting a Centurion Lounge. That's good to know. It said opening soon on the sign. This is all new. Terminal is good, just wait till the whole airport is finished. This is nice. LaGuardia has stepped up their game. Okay, so that's a wrap on my trip from Atlanta to New York City. LaGuardia Airport. And if you've just been tuning in, LaGuardia Airport has had a major facelift, at least in the terminal where Southwest is located. I also see Air Canada in this terminal. I'm still not sure what terminal it is, but if I find out, I'll leave it right here so you'll know. But yeah, Southwest Airlines, I'm not impressed. I had a canceled flight, rebooked 2 days later. The flight was delayed. It was just a mess. They don't really give snacks. You get 1 cup of a beverage. I got a 7-Up. They don't even have Sprite. I haven't had 7-Up in forever, but they gave 7-Up and they gave a snack bag, and that was it. There were no televisions on the plane. They did have entertainment, but you had to have your own device, which is okay. A lot of planes have that, but yeah, the plane was pretty old and dated. The flight attendants, they were like trying to be funny a lot, and it was just kind of unprofessional to me. So I think I'm good with Southwest. I don't think I'll be flying them again, but you never know. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna leave a link below to Priority Pass if you want to access lounges around the world. That link is an affiliate link, but it will give you 10% off of Priority Pass. That's how I access lounges in all of my videos. So check that out if you want to get lounges. Don't forget to sign up for a TSA pre-check. And Clear was actually really good this time. They bumped me to the front of the TSA pre-check line. So the fee is pretty high because it is a yearly fee, but it was convenient for me this time. And I got a 2-month free membership. I won't be renewing, but I'll use it for these 2 months. So thank you again for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.